of April 2025 at Northern Abra National High School, Lamag, Salon Abra. Signed, Brenda L. Dose, Principal 3, and Amador D. Garcia, Schools Division Superintendent, PhD, Session 6. Alagaran Janjan de la Cruz, from South Poblacion, San Juan, Abra. Son of Mr. Barbido and Mrs. Mark Raquel Alagaran. Valdemar Rix J. Barbosa, from Namitingan, Dolores Abra, son of Mr. Roderick and Mrs. Noemi Valdemar. Barbero Denver Cortes, from the widow San Juan Abra. He is the son of Mr. Dennis and Mrs. Rodelita Barbero. Barbieto Jasper J. Turquesa, from Capcaburaw, San Juan Abra. He is the son of Mr. Danilo Barbieto and Marina Barbieto. He is the son of Mr. Alvin and Mrs. Gloria Baruela. Blasa Dwayne J. Bayubay, from Tagaytay, San Juan Abra. He is the son of Mr. Ariel and Mrs. Marian Blasa. Borda Ravian Denver Piano, from Lamag, San Juan Abra. He is the son of Mr. Jesse and Mrs. Susan Borda. Quentico Daniel Ola, from Lumobang, San Juan Abra. He is the son of Mr. Baltazar and Mrs. Antonina Quentico. Cabang Mark Anthony Budonia, from Lamag, San Juan Abra. He is the son of Mr. Jarrell and Mrs. Arlette Cabang. Dalere John Mark Revilla, from Lamag, San Juan Abra. He is the son of Mr. Dondi and Mrs. Joyce Dalere. Dalaw Johnson Abu, from Subil, San Juan Abra. He is the son of Mr. Bressy and Mrs. Jocelyn Dalaw. De la Cuadra, Jen R.D. Baldos, Mintingan, Dolores Abra. He is the son of Mr. J. Ryan and Mrs. Destiny De La Cuadra. De la Cruz, John Lloyd Tandy, from Alawa, Tineg, Abra. He is the son of Mr. Odilo and Mrs. Jonathan De La Cruz. Doroteo Rydell James Hamito, from Culyong, San Juan Abra. He is the son of Mr. Ricky and Mrs. Maricel Doroteo. Gavanes Francis Dale Baldos, from Capcaburaw, San Juan Abra. He is the son of Mr. Yunel and Mrs. Hanilin Gavanes. Narca Wilfredo, from Bayaan, Dolores Abra. He is the son of Mr. Wilfredo Tobadesa and Mrs. Imelda Narca. Narciso John Andre Valdemar, from Namitingan, Dolores Abra. He is the son of Mr. Jobert and Mrs. Jovelyn Narciso. Palulan Patrick John Borgonia, from Abulag, San Juan Abra. He is the son of Mr. Pablo and Mrs. Perlita Palulan. Petaliana Joylan Doroteo, From Gulyong San Juan Abra, he is the son of Mr. Baltasar Jr. and Mrs. Rhea May Pitaliana. Rial Justin Zumo Tayo, from Bayaan Dolores Abra, he is the son of Miss Josephine Tayo. Revoldela Tristan Gavanes, from Badas San Juan Abra, he is the son of Mr. Nestor and Mrs. Joan Revoldela. Sanoria Edison Regalado, from Bai Lagayan Abra, he is the son of Mr. Eduardo and Mrs. Geraldine Sanoria. Segurel General Nino Vasquez, from Badas San Juan Abra, he is the son of Mr. Anthony and Mrs. Marieta Segurel. Tebia Alexander James Camby, from Lapak San Juan Abra, he is the son of Mr. Joselito and Mrs. Modeline Tebia. Impresa Danilo Jr. Torqueza, from Sinet San Juan Abra, he is the son of Mr. Danilo Sr. and Mrs. Anita Timpresa. Abanes Nurin Roche Pentipo, from Namitingan Dolores Abra, she is the daughter of Mr. Nodimi and Mrs. Ruby May Abanes. Avero Mariel Timpresa, from Lamak San Juan Abra, he is the daughter of Mr. Jimmy and Mrs. Marley Avero. Torqueza, from Abra, daughter of Mr. Lumerito and Mrs. Leadina Balucas. Barat Jamaica Palulan, from Dolores San Juan, from Dolores Abra, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Mary Jane Barat. Barbasa Tricia May Bubles, from Tagaytay San Juan Abra, daughter of Mr. Fernando and Mrs. Mary Joy Barbasa. Barbosa Princess Twinkle Montipo, from Namitingan Dolores Abra, daughter of Mrs. Ivena Barbosa. Betsaida Rizalin Manube, from Badas San Juan Abra, daughter of Mr. Marlon and Mrs. Jacqueline Betsaida. Bisera Alena Gaston, from Lapak San Juan Abra, daughter of Mr. John Paul and Mrs. Maria Alisa Bisera. Bides Jampi Caparos, from Capcamuno San Juan, daughter of Mr. Delphine Bides. Bragas Femi Torres, from South Poblacion San Juan Abra, daughter of Mr. Francisco and Mrs. Maria Linda Bragas. Brioso Angel May Bermilio, from Gulyong San Juan Abra, daughter of Miss Laarni B. Brioso. Gulang Shira Nicole Bulawan, from Bai Lagayan Abra, daughter of Mr. Melvin and Mrs. Michelle Gulang. Lizardo Princess Kay Talindan, from Juan Abra, daughter of Mr. Manuel Maxima Lizardo. Pakapak Amina from Labra, daughter and Mrs. Gemma Pakapak.
Magdagdag dyan mo masyado.
Pacorza Divine Carlos from Baug, San Juan Abra. She is the daughter of Mr. Emilio and Mrs. Marites Pacorza. Peralta Baawa from Bain. She is the daughter of Mrs. Grace Peralta. Segera Debbie May Alugday from Pangkot, Lagayan, Abra. She is the daughter of Mr. Dexter and Mrs. Rosemary Segera. Soria Juan Naira Montoyo from Baug, San Juan, Abra. She is the daughter of Mr. Romeo and Mrs. Rodaline Soria. Torqueza Meryl Ann Vizcara from Seville, San Juan, Abra. She is the daughter of Mr. Marlon and Mrs. Mercy Torqueza. Olbaken Kristen Nicole Beronia from Baug, San Juan, Abra. She is the daughter of Mr. Juven and Mrs. Valero Lovely John K. Mateo, San Juan, Abra. Mr. Romeo Valera and Mrs. Janice Mateo.
Baga Belsam Gonzalez from Colabawan, San Juan, Abra. Son of Mr. and Mrs. Samson and Cristina Baga. Baltimore Jetrix Barbosa from Namitingan, Dolores, Abra. Son of Mr. and Mrs. Roderick and Noemi Baltimore. Barueda Joel from the widow San Juan, Abra. Son of Mr. and Mrs. Virgilio and Mary Ann Barueda. Veronia Chetro Baltimore from Baog, San Juan, Abra. Son of Mr. and Mrs. Fernandito and Zenaida Veronia. Veronia Chan Paul Borlas from Baog, San Juan, Abra. Son of Mr. and Mrs. Paulo and Vilma Veronia. Biliedo Christian Anthony Tabaday from South Poblacion, son of Mr. and Mrs. Anthony and Beverly Biliedo. Vizcara Vince Larkin Vizcara from Tagaytay, San Juan, Abra. Son of Mr. and Mrs. Juvencio and Cheryl Vizcara. Lanes Estier Veronia from Baog, San Juan, Abra. Son of Mr. and Mrs. Petronilo and Jude Blanes. Blanzar Russell Zapata from Badas, San Juan, Abra. Son of Mr. and Mrs. Jomar and Rosalie Blanza. Plaza Junior Jimmy Benabese from Tagaytay, San Juan, Abra. Son of Mr. and Mrs. Jimmy and Gloribel Plaza. Bondame Justin Dave Caray from North Poblacion, San Juan, Abra. Son of Mr. and Mrs. Bernie and Griselda Bondame. Gawa and Prince Genesee Bergonya from San Miguel, San Juan, Abra. Son of Mr. and Mrs. Pepito and Giselle Gawain. Julian John I. Capcapuraw, San Juan Abra, son of Mr. and Mrs. Hiner Oliver and Mylene Janice Julian. Julian Marty Oliver Legitan, from Capcapuraw, San Juan Abra, son of Mr. and Mrs. Hiner Oliver and Isabel Julian. Latawan Edward Buyal, from South Poblacion, San Juan Abra, son of Mr. and Mrs. Eddie and Pasita Latawan. Liabado Mark June Zapata, from Capcapuraw, San Juan Abra, son of Mr. and Mrs. Edmondo and Cecil Liabado. Dave Barbosa, from Baog, San Juan, son of Mr. and Mrs. Godofredo and Wilma Lizardo. Manangbao Christian Mendoza, from Baog, San Juan Abra, son of Mr. and Mrs. Herzeline Manangbao. Manipon General J. Garcia, from Badas, San Juan Abra, son of Mr. and Mrs. Roland and Melanie Manipon. Montero Renz Eleguyo, from Abualan, San Juan Abra, son of Mr. and Mrs. Salvador and Elena Montero. Sharo June Pepi, from South Poblacion, San Juan Abra, son of Mrs. Gina Sharo. Taa Junior Rodelio Pilardo, from South Poblacion, San Juan Abra, son of Mr. and Mrs. Rodelio and Lorena Taa. Torquesa Mark Joseph Brigola, from Sabangan, San Juan Abra, son of Mr. Junicio Torquesa and Jennifer Brigola. Yao Cristanville Torquesa, from Tagaytay, San Juan Abra, son of Mr. and Mrs. Roderick and Maricel Yao. Zapata Christian Neil Sanchez, from Bayaan, Dolores Abra, son of Mr. and Mrs. Normando and Noemi Zapata. Abero Jean Florence Bergoni, from Taping, Dolores Abra, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Mark Armon and Gretchen Abero. Asistente Rica Jane Aison, from Pacac, Dolores Abra, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Jose and Rodibel Asistente. Balikaw Maria Malu Cabrera, from Alawa, Neg Abra, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Quirino and Evangelina Balikaw. Bayubay Yoni Jane Barbosa, from Abualan, San Juan Abra, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Dionisio and Jenny Bayubay. Bergonia Lorraine Baruela, from Supigil, San Juan Abra, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Dario and Yolanda Bergonia. Bernilio Yashane Veras, from Lumubang, San Juan Abra, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Russell and Michelle Bernilio. Bersamin Kathleen Faith Onol, from Baog, San Juan Abra, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Roger and Rowena Bersamin. When people Iho Eileen Baltimore, from Namitingan, Dolores Abra, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Odalon and Tessie Bentipo. Karay Naira Ola, from Supiel, San Juan Abra, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Amante and Ofelia Karay. Emino Angeli Faith Bringas, from Bayaan, Dolores Abra, daughter of Mrs. Bethany Hemino. Ignacio Laika Nicole Dumilan, from Alawa, Neg Abra, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Reynaldo and Cirela Ignacio. Molina Rain Angela Collado, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Aristeo and Lorraine Molina from Lamag, San Juan, Abra. Pacorsa Glyza Barbosa, from Baog, San Juan, Abra, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. George and Rona Pacorsa. Palencia Princess Nicole, from Capcapuraw, San Juan, Abra, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Jason and Emily Julian. Enjoy Balaora, from Culyong, San Juan, Abra, Mr. and Mrs. Prudencio and Lorena Palulan. Tagodar Karen Joy Dondonayo, from Namitingan, San Juan, Abra, Dolores Abra, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Vincent Tagodar. Tagodar Princess Casey Namitingan, Dolores Abra, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Arnelito and Jesselyn Tagodar. Tolentino Marjolet Berna, from Agualan, San Juan, Abra, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Yomar and Anjanette Tolentino. Tronco Kimberly Bentilio, from Nakubuhan, San Juan, Abra, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Eduardo and Wilma Tronco.
From accountancy, business and management staff, Abero John Joseph Jr. Blanes, son of Mr. Joseph Abero and Mrs. Merly Abero, from Tapin, Dolores Abra. Anagalan Rudy Anthony Bulayo, son of Mr. Rodrigo Nagaran and Mrs. Sabina Nagaran, from Baog, San Juan, Abra. Baldos Christian Garden, son of Mr. Elsalde Baldos and Mrs. Raquel Baldos, from Capcapuraw, San Juan, Abra. Vizcarra Renz Charles Galera, son of Mr. Ferdinand Vizcarra and Mrs. Rachel Vizcarra, from Polyom, San Juan, Abra. Glenn Kristen Benedict Assistente, son of Mr. Balthasar Gosling and Mrs. Jubilin Glenn, from Pacat, Dolores Abra. Malayaw Gabriel Eduarte, son of Mr. Jameson Malayaw and Mrs. Gemma Eduarte Malayaw, from Apuanan, San Juan, Abra. Talanya Rumi Almoron, son of Mr. Roldan Talanya and Mrs. Teresita Talanya, from Carsadang Bago, Dos Imos, Cavite. Teredaño Emmanuel Arcangel, son of Mr. Gerald Teredaño and Mrs. Emeline Teredaño, from Silet, San Juan, Abra. Apuado Kimberly Ann Alvaro, daughter of Mr. Martin Apuado and Mrs. Moraila Apuado, from Pacax, Dolores Abra. Assistente Raquel Eunice Monterola, daughter of Mr. Ray Assistente and Mrs. Belinda Assistente, from Pacax, Dolores Abra. Balaweg Charlene May Sena, daughter of Mr. Michael Balaweg and Mrs. P. Balaweg, from Silet, San Juan, Abra. Valdemar Genevieve Alejandro, daughter of Mr. Benjamin Valdemar and Mrs. Gemma Valdemar, from Taping, Dolores Abra. Baruela Cheslin Torquesa, daughter of Mr. Emil Baruela and Mrs. Annie Baruela, from Tagaytay, San Juan, Abra. Bayubay Chermel Buzo, daughter of Mr. Junel Bayubay and Mrs. Laila Bayubay, from Colion, San Juan, Abra.
Sinukat na rupan.
Benavice Crystal Jane Timbreza, daughter of Mr. Adelmo Benavice and Mary Chris Benavice, from Tagaytay, San Juan, Abra.
Parang magnanata.
Borda Lara Jean Borsalin, daughter of Mr. Jerry Borda and Mrs. Lisbeth Borda, from Poblacion North, San Juan, Abra. Concepcion Scarlett May Blaza, daughter of Mr. Manuel Concepcion and Mrs. May Concepcion, from Poblacion North, San Juan, Abra. Egoy Jane Sara Balikaw, daughter of Mr. Ben Egoy and Mrs. Lalin Egoy, from Dumayco, Peñarobia, Abra. Gregorio Cristel May Angka, daughter of Mr. Willie Gregorio and Mrs. Banji Gregorio, from Silet, San Juan, Abra. Atias Kaiser Nicole Alcantara, daughter of Mr. Ronel Aquias and Mrs. Wendell Aquias, from Cabcaburaw, San Juan, Abra. Palos Kelsey Ann Bentipo, daughter of Mr. Silvestre Palos and Mrs. Elena Palos, from Patawig, San Juan, Abra. Quezon Ivy Shane Torquesa, daughter of Mr. Virgilio Quezon and Mrs. Irene Quezon, from Tagaytay, San Juan, Abra. Quezon Lilian Vilera, daughter of Mr. Sani Masaway Quezon and Mrs. Perlita Quezon, from Tagaytay, San Juan, Abra.
From the Technical, Vocational and Livelihood, Almeda Errol Openia, son of Mr. and Mrs. Maxi and Elaine Almeda, from Calabawan, San Juan, Abra. Alvaro Angelo Lyle Quinto, son of Mr. and Mrs. Arthur and Leia Alvaro, from Calumbaya, Dolores, Abra. Baldos Jansen Clark Tejero, son of Mr. and Mrs. Jobert and Carol Baldos, from Namitigan, Dolores, Abra. Balucas Darren Baawa, son of Mr. and Mrs. Darwin and Laila Balucas, from Bai, Lagayan, Abra. Barbosa Aspen Ray Cardona, son of Mr. and Mrs. Raymar and Janet Barbosa, from Padas, San San Juan, Abra. Bermilio Chris Quereza, son of Mr. and Mrs. Gregorio and Angelina Bermilio, from Namubungan, San Juan, Abra. Bisera Aaron de Lima, son of Mr. and Mrs. Norman and Angelina Bisera, from Lamab, San Juan, Abra. C.O. Jomar Jr. Bayani, son of Mr. and Mrs. Jomar Sr. and Procesa C.O. of Bai, Lagayan, Abra. De Guzman Russell Calayen, son of Mr. and Mrs. Ramon and Heidi De Guzman, from Culabawan, San Juan, Abra. Linogong Mark Vincent Española, son of Mr. and Mrs. Armando and Marvic Linogo, from Lamag, San Juan, Abra. Quebec, Jobert Jansay Ledesma, son of Mr. and Mrs. Robert and Janet Quebec, from Lumubang, San Juan, Abra. Querido Carlos Zapata, son of Mr. and Mrs. Carlos and Elena Querido, from Alawa, Tineg, Abra. Torquesa Mel J. Villedo, son of Mr. and Mrs. Romelio and Yolanda Torquesa, from Capcapurao, San Juan, Abra. Vasquez John Lloyd Bragas, son of Mr. and Mrs. Nestor and Olivia Vasquez, from Naubungan, San Juan, Abra. Allen Ella Ventipo, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Lorenzo and Carmela Allen, from Lumubang, San Juan, Abra. Astudillo Altea Baruela, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Edwin and Ruby May Astudillo, from Poblacion Dolores, Abra. Barbosa Angelica Ventipo, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Mario and Gemma Barbosa, from Tagaytay, San Juan, Abra. Barbosa Shane Nicole Baltimore, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Eduardo and Julieta Barbosa, from Taping, San Dolores, Abra. Baronia Jamaica Awiki, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Edwin and Renny Baronia, from Lumubang, San Juan, Abra. Bergonia Ana Rose Lacaden, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Romel and Nena Bergonia, from Supil, San Juan, Abra. Bermilio Twinkle Quereza, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Gregorio and Angelina Bermilio, from Namubungan, San Juan, Abra. Blanca Janine Nicole Maxino, daughter of Mr. Joel Blanca, from Palau, Banguet, Abra. Blando Ashley Pacapa, daughter of Miss Godinor Blando, from Lamag, San Juan, Abra. Volante Owen Hart Galera, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Erwin and Rowena Bergonia, from Lamag, San Juan, Abra. Buyaw Inel Parado, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Aquino and Marcela Buyaw, from Alawa, Tineg, Abra. Buyaw Genevieve Gavilan, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Isidro and Joanna Buyaw, from Alawa, Tineg, Abra. Castro Giselle Mahinay, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Geronimo and Maribel Castro, from Bai, Lagayan, Abra. Lianes Cherlyn Bersamin, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Juvie and Marites Lianes, from Baod, San Juan, Abra. Monhe Jaraisi Nina, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Benjamin and Roheliana Monhe, from Guli, Rosales, Pangasinan. Ola Reymalin Villanueva, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Reynaldo and Marilyn Ola, from Lumubang, San Jr. Linda Pacorsa from Bawol, San Juan, Abra. Palulan Princess Giselle Barota, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Joren and Maricel Palulan from Ulyong, San Juan, Abra. Rojas Camille Piliedo, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Emerson and Marites Rojas from Cabcaburao, San Juan, Abra. Sabado Anaring Gawilan, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Quirino and Janet Sabado from Alawa, Tineg, Abra. Talindan Lea, daughter of Mr. Hilario Pentipo and Jocelyn Talindan from Nagba, Lagayan, Abra. Impresa Nicole Vizcarra, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Julius and Lydia Impresa from Supil, San Juan, Abra.
Now, we have come to one of the most anticipated moments of today's ceremony, the recognition of our outstanding graduates. These individuals have demonstrated exceptional dedication, academic excellence, leadership, and commitment throughout their journey. It is with great pride that we now present the medals and certificates to these exemplary students who have not only met but exceeded the expectations placed upon them. As each name is called, we kindly ask the awardee to come forward to receive their medal and certificate. And we encourage everyone to join us in applauding their well-deserved achievements.
As the guest advisor of grade 12 Humanities and Social Sciences, Section A, it is with great pride and honor to present to you the Academic Excellence Awards, awards for outstanding performance in specific disciplines, and other special awards. And here are the awardees. Abanes de Maureen Roche Pentipo, with high honors. She will also receive Best in Social Sciences, Best in Work Immersion, and Leadership Award. She's a daughter of Mr. Lodley and Mrs. Ruby May Abanes. Braga's Fairy May Torres, with high honors. She will also receive Best in Arts. She's the daughter of Mr. Francisco and Mrs. Maria Linda Bragas. Also, Angel May Bermillo, with high honors. She will also receive Conduct Award, and she is also the UP Namnama Gold Medalist in Pagsulat ng Salaysay and Regional Qualifier. She is the daughter of Miss Laarni Prioso. Soria Rowan Naira Montoyo, with high honors. She will also receive Best in Science Award. She is the daughter of Mr. Romeo and Mrs. Rodeline Soria. Valera Lovely John K. Mateo, with high honors. She is the daughter of Mr. Romeo Valera and Mrs. Janice Mateo. Avero Mariel Impresa, with honors. Daughter of Mr. Jimmy and Mrs. Marife Avero. Betsaida Rizalin Manube, with honors. She will also receive Best in Athletics. And she is the daughter of Mr. Marlon and Mrs. Jacqueline Betsaida. Albay. With honors is the son of Mr. Ariel and Mrs. Marian Plaza. Borga Labian Denver Piano. With honors is the son of Mr. Jesse and Mrs. Susan Borga. Gulam Shaira Nicole Gulawa. With honors, she's the daughter of Mr. Melvin and Mrs. Michelle Gulam. Lizardo Princess Kay Talindan. With honors, she's the daughter of Mr. Manuel and Mrs. Susimar Lizardo. Peralta J. Paula Paawa. With honors, she's the daughter of Mr. Alfredo and Mrs. Marites Peralta. Petaliana Joyland Doroteo. With honors is the son of Mr. Baltasar Jr. and Mrs. Rhea Petaliana. And Rival Justin Junior Dyer. With honors, son of Miss Josephine B. Dyer. Surprise special award, and it is the Service Award. This award is given to students who have shown outstanding dedication, teamwork, and effort in supporting various school activities and programs throughout the year. This is our way of showing appreciation for those who quietly and consistently work behind the scenes, showing initiative, leadership, and heart in everything they do. So if you hear your name called, please come up on stage with your parents. And here are the awardees. Buentimo Daryl Ola, Service Awardee, son of Mr. Baltasar and Mrs. Antonina Buentimo. Service Awardee, son of Mr. Darrell and Mrs. Arlette Cava. Cavanes Francis Del Baldos, Service Awardee, son of Mr. Yunel and Mrs. Hannelyn Cavanes. Wilfredo, Service Awardee, who is the son of Mr. Wilfredo Cavallasa and Mrs. Elma Darca. Narciso San Andre Valdemoro, Service Awardee, son of Mr. Robert and Mrs. Jovelyn Narciso. Petaliana Joyland Doroteo, Service Awardee, son of Mr. Baltasar Jr. and Mrs. Rhea May Petaliana. And Tevia Alexander James Campi, Service Awardee, son of Mr. Rosalito and Mrs. Rodeline Tevia. Congratulations to all awardees for your hard work and outstanding achievements. Your success is truly well deserved. Thank you very much.
As the proud advisor of the Grade 12 Humanities and Social Sciences Section PRE, present the academic awardees of our class. These students have shown incredible dedication, perseverance, and excellence throughout the school year.
Bigay pa ba?
Bernilio Yasha Levy with high honors. Molina Rain Angelesi with high honors. She will also receive a medal for being the second place during the Festival of Talents under Sinaliksik Division level and a service award in recognition of her outstanding effort and dedication as a choreographer. Her creativity, hard work, and guidance have made a lasting impact on both fellow students and teachers. Montero Rensky with high honors. He will also receive medals in Best in Work Immersion, Best in Conduct, and a medal for being the second place during the Festival of Talents under Sinaliksik Division level. Panulan Lauren Joy P. with high honors. She will also receive medals in Best in Communication Arts, Best in Research and Innovation, Maritime Award in recognition of her exceptional performance, and a medal for being the second place in UP Nangrama under Ilocano Essay Division level and for being a regional qualifier. Sharon June Pepe with high honors. He will also receive a medal in Best in Mathematics. Tolentino Marginet P. with high honors. Baruela Joel with honors. Vizcara Vince Larkin Lee with honors. He will also receive a medal for being the second place during the Festival of Talents under Sinaliksik Division level. Ignacio Laika Nicole with honor. Pacorsa Liza Lee with honors.
With so much pride and honor, I have also announced the Academic Excellence Awardees of the Accountancy, Business and Management Club. Palace Elsian B. with high honor. Gregorio Cristel May, F. with high honor. She is also best in social science and best in art. A with high honors and best in mathematics. Benedice Crystal Jane B with high honors, best in immersion and best in science. Diesel Lilian B with honor. Asistente Raquel Eunice with honor. Malaya Gabriel E with honors and with conduct award. Vizcaya Renz Charles with honors, best in communication arts, third place division level, Tagliang Magbitar, UP Namnama. Abelo John Joseph D with honor. Maruela Justin B with honor. Kayubain Jeremy B with honor. Berta Lara Jean B with honor. Aprado Kimberlian A with honor. Talanya Remy A with honor. Jason I. T with honor.
Barbosa Shane Nicole with honors. She will also receive medal for outstanding performance in communication arts, social science, and work immersion. Baronia Jamaica with honors. Vergonia Ana Rose with honors and a medal for her outstanding performance in math. Vermilio Whittle with honors. Best in Technical Livelihood Education. She will also receive a certificate of recognition for being the champion in Provincial Techno-Olympics and another certificate of appreciation for representing Abra in the Regional Techno-Olympics. Blanca Janine Nicole with honors. Volante Owen Hart with honors. She will also receive a medal for her outstanding performance in science and another medal for the Master Baker Award. She will also receive a certificate of recognition for being the champion in the Provincial Techno-Olympics and another certificate of appreciation for representing Abra in the Regional Techno-Olympics. Castro Gishelme with honors and another medal for her outstanding performance in arts.